Hi, my name is Dan and I'm one of the DT evangelists here at Digital-Tutors. In this video, we're going to look at a question from one of our users, Rainaterror, on an alternative method for attaching nodes. Okay, so real quickly, I'm here in the hypershade. And usually if we were to attach nodes, we'd want to use the middle mouse button to click and drag a node onto another to attach it. But let's take a look at some alternative methods for attaching nodes. One way would be to simply double click on the node and then use the checker box here to connect something into it. So say for example in the color here, if I were to click the checker box, it'll pull up an option of a bunch of different nodes that we can create, and once it's created it will automatically be attached into the channel that we had selected. So I'll just go ahead and click on something like a checker, and as we can see, Maya has gone ahead and connected that into our color channel. Okay, so let's disconnect this and take a look at another way that we can attach this without having to use our middle mouse button. Well, what we can do is if we come to Window, General Editors, and open up the Connection Editor, that will open up this dialog here. We're going to have on the left-hand side and the right-hand side two different nodes that we're going to want to load up. So I'm going to select my checker node here and tell it to reload left. We can see that's gone ahead and loaded the checker node into the left-hand side. And the right-hand side, I'll select my blend and click the reload right button in my connection editor. So now we can simply left-click something like the out color from the checker and connect that into the color of the blend. And right away we can see Maya's gone ahead and connected that for us. Now, if we look at the system requirements for Maya, we'll actually find that a 3-button mouse is one of those requirements. So while it is possible to connect nodes without using the middle mouse button to click and drag, it could really end up being pretty tedious, as we can see here. So if we're having issues with a third-party piece of software taking over the middle mouse button clicking, then we may need to start investigating on what that software is and look in that software's settings to find a way to disable it. But those are just a couple different ways that we can connect nodes without using the middle mouse button by using either the icon in the attribute editor or the connection editor.